Hello and welcome back to Fine Slice Creation. Today we are going to make cake pops. Cake pops is a cake styled to look like lollipops. Delicious cake crumbs mixed with icing and other flavors and then coated in melted chocolate and decorations. These are fun to make and delightful to eat. First you're going to need is any cake of your choice, either from scratch or premix, but I would recommend something with butter. This cake is made using my chocolate cake recipe, just substituting the oil with butter. For a cake that is 8-inch round and 2-inch in height, I have taken half a cup of my chocolate frosting. Both the recipes of the cake and frosting are on the channel. Now you can break the cake by hand or just process them in a food processor like me. It is quick and less messy. I'm adding the frosting at the same time. I also like using ganache or even jam for extra flavor. Now the cake crumbs will be formed. At the same time, the frosting will get mixed into it and form a Play-Doh type of consistency. Don't have to mince it, you have to just form the cake crumbs. When you squeeze it, it stays tight together without losing its shape. Make sure that there are no large lumps in the cake crumbs. The next step is to take this moist cake mix and form it into balls. I'm using a measuring cup here. This is 1/8 of a cup, as I wanted these to be slightly big in size. Using a measuring cup or a measuring spoon ensures that you get all the balls of the same size. Press the cake mix into the measuring cup and form the balls. At this stage, I just measure them equally and not worry about forming the smooth rounds. After measuring them, I roll them between my palms and give them a smooth round shape. Ensure that you do not have any cracks at this stage. Now refrigerate these for 2 hours. I avoid freezing them because when they are dipped in melted chocolate, they tend to form cracks. But if you are in a hurry, you can go ahead and freeze them for an hour. When the balls are ready to dip, take some good quality white chocolate. You can use any chocolate, but take something that has a good taste. Use a microwave or a double boiler to slowly melt the chocolate. For decorating the cake pops, I'm using some plastic forks, mini cupcake liners, and some sprinkles. A tip here, if you are working in a warm climate, then remove only a few balls at a time. Keep the rest refrigerated. Dip the plastic fork in the melted chocolate and gently insert it into the center of the cake ball. Do not let it lose its shape. Prepare all the balls in the same way. You have to refrigerate this at least for half an hour so that the fork stays firm inside the cake balls. I'm using white food gel to give me a paler shade, but you can skip this step. I also added a teaspoon of Crisco while melting the chocolate. You can use any flavorless oil. Now dip the cake balls into the melted chocolate, completely coating it. Shake off the excess chocolate by tapping your hand. Do not tap the fork or the balls will slide off. Now place the balls on the liner. I immediately added the sprinkles. But if you are using some heavy decoration, then you will need to wait for the chocolate to set. Now refrigerate these for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Do try these. You will be surprised how these aren't very hard to make and not very time consuming either. Cake pops can be made in advance for any occasion or packed in plastic bags and gifted. These certainly do complete your dessert table. So until next time, lots of love and stay connected. Thank you for watching.